In this video, we will show how to submit a mechanical permit. From the main page of JAX Epics, you can click on Apply for Permit in the quick links, or from the top menu by selecting Permits, Start Application. I will select Mechanical Permit as my permit type, and click Next. Choose my proposed use. Then I will enter in my structure type, choosing single family in this example, and then my work type, existing building or new, followed by the work subtype or types that you need to enter in. Once you've made your selections, you can review the summary of the permit application you're about to begin and click Submit Application. Once the permit opens, you will be on the Overview tab. To enter the address, click on Location and type in the address. As you type in, the address will autocomplete below of what matches the address you are typing in. Make your selection. You can now view information about the property, other permits at the location. After the address, the next information is the contacts. If you're filling out this permit as your company, it will be automatically added to the permit, but here I am just going to search for my JAX Epics company and select it from the list. After the company, the next contact to add is the property owner. City of Jacksonville is already set as the property owner for this address, but if you need to change a property owner, you can select Change Owner, search for an existing, or add a new one. But we are going to use the City of Jacksonville in this example. After the property owner has been added, next is the project contact. If you've set up default project contacts on your profile, you can select them here, or click Add New Contact to add one directly on this permit. After adding in the address and contacts, you can now review any hold information that might be preventing your permit from being submitted. Since there is none, we are now clear to go fill out the spec information. Required fields on the spec tab will be denoted by an asterisk. You should only fill out the spec information as it relates to the work being performed on this permit. So for example, I have no ductwork on this permit, so I'm leaving those fields blank. To add equipment to the permit, click the plus equipment button and select the equipment type. Depending on the type of equipment you select, different fields will be displayed as it relates to the piece of equipment. Once you have finished filling out the information, click Save and your equipment will be added to the permit. If you need to add more equipment, click the plus equipment button again, select the new equipment type, and add it in. You may need to upload documents as part of your permit application, but that process will be covered in an additional video. Once all of your spec information has been entered in, you may review it, and then click Submit Application for your permit to be submitted to the city for review. You will get a notification that the permit has been submitted, and you will see that your status has been changed to In Review. You will then be notified of the city during the next steps of the review process.